Questions you need to ask carpet cleaners before hiring. Are you looking forward to hiring carpet cleaning professionals in Templestowe? There are many of them, but you need to be cautious. You need to ask them a few questions. The answers to the questions will help you decide on the next step. Are you experienced enough? Do you use the latest tools for carpet cleaning? Are your cleaning products eco-friendly? Are you insured and licensed? Can you provide referrals? These are the questions you need to get concrete answers to. When you hire Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, you get affirmative answers to each of these questions. That is what makes our carpet cleaners in Templestowe special. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.